Well, good morning. We're starting the Ebisu video early because, you know, it's turned into an absolute fuck show. We got Puff and Shannon here. Jackie's editing. Oh, she's waving. They bullied me into checking my car because it's got an exhaust leak, and I was like, nah, it's fine. And turns out it's not fucking fine. So now we're doing this. And Puff is really happy and enjoying himself.
Oh, I got a beer. That's right.
Yeah, it's... Cars leave them tonight, tomorrow? I have no idea. So we're going to try and find a spare manifold or...
Ooh, I love one.
Oh, right. Video when it's out. Oh. Bugger. Oh, yeah.
What the hell is going on here?
Matsuri activity?
Meant to be leaving like pretty soon, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Allegedly.
Literally.
Allegedly. Well, Puff, where are we going?
To a Ebisu circuit. Happiest place on earth. It's someone's dream to be there. It's not mine currently, but is that yours?
Oh yeah, it is mine. Thank you. Losing everything. But I found my GoPro. Jackie. So it's windy, so when I go around this corner, it's not going to be good audio. But look at this. Oh my gosh. Dinosaur. This is just some random rest stop we stopped at. Go feed it. I think it's got a sensor.
It blows on you.
Hey, go again. Take the branch. Oh.
Let's let him fuck
Lock the doors.
Look at the monkeys. Alfie monkey. Well, we're in Nihonmatsu. Well, nearly Nihonmatsu. Long ass drive, but there's some mountains with snow on the top. There's a happy Puff. And we got our 6 jerry cans in the back. Oh, focus. What a journey. Hey, and now Ebisu tomorrow.
Women only know how to be bisexual, eat hot chip and lie. That's the same.
Well, good morning. As you seen last night, we ended up at the track. That is Jackie editing at the moment because she's been having a great time editing her video so she can get it up. And we are currently on the beautiful road to Ebisu Circuit. It's a lovely day, and apparently this is probably going to be the last lovely day we get of this Matsuri because it's going to be an absolute rain fest.
You did not tell me that.
Did not? Oh, okay, Jackie's first reaction, and it's going to be a wet Matsuri, and her car leaks and she hates driving it in the rain, so she's going to have a great Matsuri.
At least hopefully it won't break.
There we go. Positives in that. So, next stop, the gate.
Kane! the hill?
Nah.
What a start to Matsuri.
Ah, boy! Well, at least we got up the hill.
Yeah.
Oh no, it didn't pop off.
Yeah, but the water was leaky.
Huh?
Leaky. Something.
Oh well. Matsuri sucks. So this car's been... maintenance has been lacking, and then just realised that there's water in the spark plug holes, so hopefully that's going to be the...
Oh, yo.
in that one.
Update.
It's now raining. I'm having a great time. It's only like 3 PM and I haven't done a lap.
Who's that?
That's an idiot right there.
I'm a kind of anyway. Don't. They're gonna hit me.
Okay, oh sorry, you're talking.
No, you go.
Okay.
You talk.
It's been, well, I would say disaster. It's been an interesting day, and this could have all been prevented if the car's working now, with a little bit of maintenance. But we were too excited to get in the car made pretty, but we didn't even finish. We didn't even finish the window.
We did, so my window can't go down, and my door doesn't open. So when we crash, good luck to me. It doesn't even matter because Kane never unlocks the door.
Nah.
Push the door unlock button. Thank you.
There we go. So yeah, heading up to north now. It had started raining when it was raining while we were doing the spark plugs, because the spark plugs got water in them and it looked terrible. And don't know if anybody knows, but my bonnet flew up because I forgot to click it down because I was trying to fix the car and stressing back and forth and
And you get grumpy.
Yeah, I did get grumpy. I was like, come on, I just want to drive. This car never gives me jip. This is the workhorse. I'm going to try and do some laps and testing, and it's wet, and I've not even done a dry lap yet. And I've got Shiba semi-slicks on, which have not very good water displacement. But even a bad day at the track is still better than a good day at work, so.
So let me put my helmet on. Let's go some laps.
I feel like we've not done laps of north in a long time. Oh, so tired.
Oh shit, they got some at the bottom.
Oh, my eyes.
Why?
I don't know. I'm crying.
Bro, it's fuming in here.
It is. I think that's why I'm crying. hell they're chasing X's. Hell yeah! It's so scary. Oh, I like this car again.
Oh my gosh, after all that crashing out.
Click, okay. Was it valid? Probably not.
Giotto bien.
We'll do a wee solo. Oh, there's Aaron Ritchie.
We'll do a solo. There's our Richie. He's coming, he's coming.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh my goodness. Hello. It doesn't work. This. Say that again?
They get stuck. I need to move them because they get stuck under the handbrake and wedge themselves. Less than ideal. In this car when it's working. That was dirty. Oh my god. Didn't even damage anything, I don't think. It just sounds like things are falling off the car as we're driving around.
It does. It sounds like something's going on here, eh? I see that like when you're going sideways, it feels like you've like lost like you run over it.
Let's go find her.
Yeah, where'd he go?
Not bad for a Z driver.
Sketchy shit like that with.
There was no thoughts in those rounds.
No,
the
best part was, I was like to Nicole, I was like, I gotta go in, my car's just too hot. And I'm like, oh, paint it! Window went back up and I'm like, fuck, they were funny.
There were some good rounds.
I've got no tires in the rear.
First day driving done. Now for some good food.
Ruining the experience.